welcome to Home School. This is your class 10 mathematics. Today in this session, I am going to discuss MCQs of arithmetic progressions. Some of the arithmetic progression MCQs I have discussed already in this channel. 1 mark questions from arithmetic progressions. If you want, you can check that link in the description. Okay. Other than those, I try to pick some more multiple choice questions. Okay, let's begin. First one. Sum of all first n terms of even natural numbers. Sum of n terms of even natural numbers. N terms, how many? Where there is n, we don't know. N terms, sum of n terms we need to calculate. So, what are even natural numbers? 2, 4, 6, so on, right? Well, tens we don't know. Sum of all these even natural numbers is your question. First term is A1 or A, second term is A2. We should know A and D first. A is nothing but the first term. A is equal to A1 equal to 2. And common difference A2 minus A1. A2 value is 4. 4 minus 2, it will be 2. Common difference is 2. Sum of n terms formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. Sn is equal to n value. Do we know? Don't know. N by 2 into 2 into a value is 2 plus n value n minus 1 into d value is 2. N by 2 into 2 2s are 4 plus 2 into n, 2n minus into plus minus 2 into 1 will be 2. N by 2 into 4 minus 2 will be plus 2. 2n plus 2. Then again in these 2 is common. N by 2, take out 2 common, n plus 1. 2 2 cancels. And you are left with n into n plus 1. Therefore, sum of n terms of even natural numbers is n into n plus 1. Check the option here. Your option is option A. Option A, n into n plus 1. Second one, if A, B and C are arithmetic progression. A, B and C are in arithmetic progression. Then what is B minus A by C minus B is equal to? Observe carefully, if these are in arithmetic progression, their common difference will be constant. How do you calculate common difference? B minus A. And here C minus B. Both will be equal, right? We know common difference is constant. B minus A is equal to C minus B. Substitute in this. Instead of B minus A, substitute C minus B. C minus B cancel. You are left with 1. Therefore, your answer is 1. Option C, 1. Third one, 13th term of the AP. X minus 7, X minus 2, X plus 3, so on is. We need to calculate 13th term. That means A13. And here, observe here, these are in arithmetic progression. So, I can say it as first term, second term, third term. Find A and D value first. A is equal to A1 is equal to X minus 7. Coming to common difference D, A2 minus A1. What is A2 value? X minus 2. Minus A1 value is X minus 7. Better use here bracket. And now remove from bracket. X minus 2 minus X. Minus into minus plus 7. Minus X plus X will be cancelled. 7 minus 2 will be 5. We know common difference and first term. So, any term you can calculate. Find 13th term. If you want, you can write the formula an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. A13 is equal to a plus 13 minus 1, 12d. And now you can substitute a and d value. A value is x minus 7 plus 12 into d value is 5. X minus 7 plus 12 5s are 60. And 60 minus 7 will be x plus 53. Therefore, 13th term value is x plus 53. Check the answer where you have option D, x plus 53. X plus 53. Fourth one, if the first term of an AP is 3, first term means A is equal to 3. Common difference is 2. D is equal to 2. Find A20. Find 20th term means A20. Same manner, if you want you can write formula or directly you can write in general form. A plus 19D. A value is 3. D value is 2. 3 plus 19 2s are 38. 38 plus 3 will be 41. What is the 20th term? 41. Check for the option. Option B. 41 is your answer. Okay. Fifth one. In an arithmetic progression, if S5 is equal to 35, S5 is equal to 35 and S4 is equal to 22. Sum of 5 terms 35, sum of 4 terms 22. Find the fifth term. Fifth term means A5. Now I remember a relation, that is AN is equal to SN minus 1. This is in this format, right? So N value is 5, substitute. A5 is equal to S5 minus S of 5 minus 1 is equal to S5 minus S4. 5 minus 1 will be 4. We know S5 and S4 value. Substitute here. 35 minus 22. That will be 13 is your answer. Check for the option. Your option is C. 13 is the answer. Sixth one. The nth term of 3, 7, 11, 15. 3, 7, 11, 15. So on is. We need to find AN. Nth term. Nth term means AN. First find A and D. Let me write this A1, A2 enough. A value is 3 and D value is A2 minus A1. 7 minus 3, that will be 4. And now AN formula is A plus N minus 1 into D. Substitute A and D value. 3 plus N minus 1 into 4. 3 plus 4N minus 4. That will be 4N minus 4 plus 3 will be minus 1. Therefore, nth term value is 4N minus 1. Check the answer. It is option A. Option A, 4N minus 1. Seventh one, in a sequence, if AN plus 1 is equal to 4N plus 5, then AN is. So, little confusing question this one. How will you find nth term here? Nth term, how can we calculate? I don't know A, I don't know D, I know N plus 1th term. So, for that purpose, let me take any value, let me guess any value of N. Let us take if N is equal to 1. Substitute A 1 plus 1 is equal to 4 into 1 plus 5. That is 1 plus 1 will be 2. A2 is equal to 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. Okay. Then A1 you want. Second term value we got now. Second term value is 9. If I take N value 1, you can take any value, right? So if I take N value 1, I have got second term. Suppose if I take N is equal to 0, I may get first term, right? 4 into 0 plus 5. That implies A1. 0 plus 1 will be 1, right? A1 is equal to 4 into 0, 0 plus 5 will be 5. I got A1 5. That is first term is 5. First term is 5. Second term is 9. Find nth term. See, this method you can do or another method. Take n value, any number you wish. Suppose if you take 4, what happens? A5 you are going to get. And if you take 6, you are going to get A7. If you know two term values, you can find A and D. A7 is equal to so and so, A5 is equal to so and so, you are getting. Split in general form, solve the two equations, you are going to get A and D. That is one method. Or you can go with n is equal to 1 and this is another method. Any method you can choose. Now, I need to find nth term. Right here, A value is 5 and D value is A2 minus A1. 9 minus 5 is 4. Okay. An. Formula is A plus n minus 1 into D. An is equal to A value is 5. N minus 1 into D value is 4. Remove from brackets 4 into n, 4n. Plus into minus, minus 4 ones are 4. 5 minus 4 will be 1. 4n plus 1. Nth term value is 4n plus 1. Check for the option where you have 4n plus 1. Where you have 4n plus 1, it is your option C. Option C, 4n plus 1. Seventh one. Next, eighth one. In an arithmetic sequence, A4 is equal to 8 and A is equal to 2. Find the common difference. Fourth term given. Fourth term, write in general form. A4, we can write it as A plus 3D is equal to 8. Substitute A value in this. We know A, right? Substitute that A here. 2 plus 3D is equal to 8. 2 send other side. 3D is equal to 8 minus 2. 3D is equal to 6. D is equal to 6 by 3. 3 2s are 6. D is equal to 2. Therefore, the common difference value is 2. Check for the answer. Option C. Option C, 2. Ninth one, in an arithmetic progression, the common difference is 3. Common difference means D is 3. First term means A is 1. Then it's 10th term. 10th term means we need to calculate A10. Now, write the formula. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. A10, n value is 10. A value is 1. N 10 substitute there. 10 minus 1 into D value is 3. 1 plus 10 minus 1, 9. 9 3s are 27. 27 plus 1, 28. Therefore, the 10th term is 28. Check for the option. Option D. Option D, 28. 10th one. In an arithmetic progression, an plus 5 is equal to 35 and an plus 1 is equal to 23. Find the common difference. If an plus 5 is equal to 35 and an plus 1 is equal to 23, how can we calculate common difference? Do you have any formula? No, we don't have. So, like this type of questions, we need to assume any n value. Either you may take any number. Suppose if I take n is equal to 1. A, substitute here, A1 plus 5 is equal to 35. That is A6 is equal to 35. Okay. Same n value substitute in other. That is A1 plus 1 is equal to 23. That is A2 is equal to 23. Okay. So, directly you can go for this formula. Do you know? D is equal to AP minus AQ by P minus Q. That is AP minus AQ by P minus Q. This is one way of finding common difference. Try to remember. What is AP? I go with a big number here. A6 minus AQ is A2. And what is P value? 6. Q value is 2. A6 value is 35 minus A2 value is 23. 6 minus 2 is 4. 35 minus 23, it will be 12. 12 by 4. 4 3s are 12. Therefore, the common difference is 3. For the option there, your option A, 3 is right answer. Option A, 3 is right answer. So, when you know any two terms, common difference you need to calculate. Better you can go with this. Okay. D is equal to AP minus AQ by P minus Q. AP, select the biggest term. AQ, smallest term. 11th problem. In an arithmetic progression, AN is equal to 3n minus 1. Find common difference. We know nth term and we need to calculate common difference. At that time, try to find two terms and then difference is common difference. So let us substitute. N is equal to 1. A1 is equal to 3 into 1 minus 1. 3 1s are 3. 3 minus 1 will be 2. A1 first term value is 2. Then substitute n is equal to 2 and find second term. A2 is equal to 3 into 2 minus 1. 3 2s are 6. 6 minus 1 will be 5. Therefore, we know first term and second term. Common difference is A2 minus A1. Don't do A1 minus A2. Don't do. Common difference of second term and first term. That is second term minus first term. That will be 5 minus 2 is equal to 3 is your answer. Check for the answer. Option C. Option C, 3 is the right answer. 12th one. Ramu marked a dot in first square. Ramu marked a dot in first square. And second square, 2 dots. Similarly, third square, 3 dots. And so on. Then the total number of squares required to mark a total of 55 dots. Understand the question carefully. First square, 1 dot. Second square, 2 dots. Third square, 3 dots. Similarly, fourth square, 4, fifth square, 5, like that. When we add this, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, so on, total how many number of dots are there here? 55 dots. Total dots is equal to 55. What is your question? Find the total number of squares required to mark a total of 55 dots. Total number of squares needed. 1 first square, 2 second square, like this. We be able to find the n value. Suppose n is 10 means 10 squares needed to mark 55 dots. Like that, we should find n value first. For the given series, mark A1, A2, A3, so on. And find first term and common difference. A is equal to A1 is equal to 1. And common difference D is equal to second term minus first term. A2, 2 minus 1 will be 1. Common difference is 1 and your first term value is 1. We know Sn is equal to 55. Okay. Write Sn formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Formula plays a major role in mathematics. You should remember all formulae carefully. Sn value is 55. We don't know n by 2 into 2a. A value is 1, 2 into 1 plus n minus 1 into d value is also 1. Send this to other side. 55 2s are 110. N into 2 1s are 2 plus n into 1 will be n plus into minus 1. And now here 110 is equal to n into 2 minus 1 will be plus 1. N plus 1. 110 is equal to n square plus n. And this one let me write here. N square plus n minus 110 equal to 0. Oh, we need to factorize the equation and find the n value. So let us do that. 1 into minus 110. What are the factors? 11 tens are 110. You should get here plus 1. Plus 1 means plus 11 minus 10 will give you plus 1. N square plus 11n minus 10n minus 110 equal to 0. Take out n common here. N plus 11 and here take out 10 common. N plus 11 equal to 0. N plus 11 equal to 0 or n minus 10 equal to 0. N is equal to minus 11. N is equal to plus 10. See a number of boxes, n value cannot be negative. Therefore, n is 10. So, what is your question? The total number of squares required to mark a total of 55 dots. How many squares needed for you total? 10 squares needed to mark 55 dots. Okay. Your option is option D, 10. 13th one, among the following arithmetic progression is. Among the following arithmetic progression is. Let me write the options here. 35, 30, 25, so on. 8, 13, 19, so on. Okay. How can you find whether the given sequence is in AP or not? We should see the common difference. If it is constant, then that sequence is in arithmetic progression. Let us subtract here. 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 will be 3. 6 minus 4. It will be 2. So, are these two constant? No. Therefore, it is not an AP. Let's go with the second option. 10 minus 12. A2 minus A1. 10 minus 12 is minus 2. And A3 minus A2, check out. 14 minus 10 will be 4. Are these two constant? No. Go with the third one. A2 minus A1. 30 minus 35 will be minus 5. And A3 minus A2. 25 minus 30. Again it is minus 5. Therefore, I can say common difference is constant. Therefore, this sequence is in arithmetic progression. So, which option is your correct answer? Option C, 35, 30, 25, so on is the correct answer. If you want, you can check this also. 13 minus 8 will be 5 and 19 minus 13 will be 6. Common difference is not constant. Therefore, this sequence is not in arithmetic progression. 14th one, in an arithmetic progression, the correct relation is. You can see 4 options here. How we can find which is the correct relation? Okay, observe here carefully. A n minus 5, A n minus 4 plus D, something there. So, first you think we need to substitute n value, any number, then we can easily identify the relation. Suppose take any n value. Make sure it should be greater than this number. So, all n terms you observe here 6, 5 like this there. Okay, let me take more than 6. That means n is equal to 7. Let me assume if n is equal to 7. Okay, fix n value 7 for all the options. Okay, so let me substitute that n value and try to check the relation. N is 7. 7 minus 5 is equal to A 7 minus 4 plus D. 7 minus 5 is A2. 7 minus 4 will be A3 plus D. Do we get second term if we add common difference for third term? No. How do we get second term? If we add the first term to the common difference, we get second term. So this relation is wrong relation. Let's go with the next one. Option B. N value is 7. 7 minus 5, 7 minus 6 plus D. 7 minus 5 will be 2. 7 minus 6 will be 1 plus D. Yes, I think this is a correct relation. Observe here, second term we get by adding common difference to the first term. A2 is equal to A1 plus D or A plus D you can write. Okay, is this clear? Or you can send the same in this side. Common difference D is equal to A2 minus A1. This is also correct relation. This is the correct answer. And let's check this one also. 7 minus 5, that will be A2 is equal to A7 plus D. No, not at all. And here, 7 minus 5, A2, A7 minus D. No. So therefore, your correct answer is option B. This one is right answer. Option B, A(n minus 5) is equal to A(n minus 6) plus D. Sometimes we need to guess the answers by substituting any n value. 15th one, the sum of an arithmetic series with 15 terms is 180. Sum of arithmetic series. Sum of terms, how many terms? 15 terms sum is, that is S15 is equal to 180. Then the 8th term is, we need to find 8th term. How can we find this one? Okay, let us apply in formula. Sn, we know Sn formula. N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. I don't know anything. I know only S15 value. That means n value is 15 and S15 value is 180. Let us substitute that. N value 15. S15 is equal to 15 by 2 into 2a plus 15 minus 1 into d. S15 180. 180 is equal to 15 by 2 into 2a plus 15 minus 1 is 14d. Among these two, is there anything common? 2 is common. 180 is equal to 15 by 2 into, take out 2 common, a plus 7d. This 2 will be cancelled. And this 15, bring here, 180 by 15, okay, is equal to a plus 7d. 15 ones are 15 twos are 30. That means 15 12s are 180. A plus 7d is equal to 12. Observe, what is a plus 7d? It is a general form of 8th term. A8 is equal to 12. We need to find A8. Therefore, 8th term value is 12. Check for the option here. It is option B. 12 is the right answer. 16th one, if 2x plus 1, comma, 4x, comma, 13 minus x are in arithmetic progression, then x is equal to. This one, as I have said for you, by using arithmetic mean, you can find this. Or we know that these three terms are in arithmetic progression. A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2. Any of the method, you get same answer. Let me go with arithmetic mean formula. What is your arithmetic mean formula? Middle term is equal to sum of these two terms by 2. 2x plus 1 plus 13 minus x by 2. 4x into 2, this 2 send this side, 4x into 2, 8x is equal to 2x minus x x will be x. 13 plus 1 will be 14. X, bring this side. 8x minus x is equal to 14. 7x is equal to 14. 7 divide 14. 7 2s are 14. Therefore, x value is 2. Another method, if you want, that method also I am going to show here. That is a2 minus a1 is equal to a3 minus a2. Remove from bracket. Minus 2x minus 1 is equal to 13. Minus x minus 4x will be minus 5x. And here 4x minus 2x will be 2x. Bring this minus 5x this side. Plus 5x. Minus 1 plus 1. It becomes 13 plus 1 will be 14. 5x plus 2x is 7x. And x is equal to 14 by 7. It is 2. Check here. In both the ways, you get the same answer. Therefore, x is equal to 2. Check for the option. Option A, 2 is the right answer. 17th one. A person continuously places 3 marbles in first box. Same manner what we have done before. Dots. 3. And second box 5, third box 7, and so on, etc. The number of marbles that he places in 16th box is, that means A1, A2, A3. I need how many marbles he places in 16th box. Okay, let us write in this form 3, 5, 7, so on. We need to find A16 value. A value is 3 and D value is A2 minus A1, 5 minus 3, it will be 2. A16, you can write formula or directly general form of A16 is A plus 15D. A value is 3, 15 into 2. 3 plus 15 2s are 30, 30 plus 3 will be 33. In 16th box, he places 33 marbles. Check for the answer. Option B, 33. 18th one. In the first minute, Geeta climbs 15 steps of a building. Okay. First minute, she climbs 15 steps. And after that, she climbs 3 steps less than in the previous minute. 3 steps less means how many? In 15, you subtract 3, it will be 12. Okay, second minute, she climbs 12 steps. And third minute, so on they have said here. After that, first minute only 15. After that, every minute, she climbs 3 steps less. Second minute, 12. Third minute, again you subtract 3, it will be 9. So on. And now your question is the total number of steps climbed by Geeta in 5 minutes. Total, understand the question. Total means sequence becomes series. Sum of 5 terms is equal to. Sum of means yes, 5 is equal to question mark. Okay. We know A value is 15 and D value 12 minus 15 will be minus 3. D value is minus 3. Sn formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D. And you know n value, that is 5. They asked us the total number of steps she climbed after 5 minutes. That means S5 is equal to 5 by 2 into A value is 15 plus N value is 5 minus 1 and your D value is minus 3. Use with the bracket. S5 is equal to 5 by 2 into 15 2s are 30. 5 minus 1 will be 4 plus and minus 4 3s are 12. 5 by 2 into 30 minus 12, it will be 18. 2 9s are 18. 9 5s are 45. So Geeta finally, after 5 minutes, she climbed 45 steps. Okay, the total steps climbed by Geeta in 5 minutes is equal to 45 steps. Check for the answer. It is your option C, 45. 19th one, in a progression, if an is equal to 2n minus 1, find the fourth term, means a4. Find the fourth term means n value was 4. Substitute in nth term, n value 4, 2 into 4 minus 1, that is 4 2s are 8, 8 minus 1 will be 7. Therefore, fourth term is 7. Check for the option D. Option D, 7 is your answer. Last MCQ, 20th one, if 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus on plus n is equal to 78. Find the value of n. Find the value of n they are asking. So, n might be last term. That means an value is n. So, immediately you confuse there and go with an formula. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. An value is n, a value is 1 and d value is 1. 2 minus 1 will be 1. And you are going to substitute and 1 plus n minus 1. You are going to get n equal to n. Did you get the right answer? No. Don't confuse at this time. Okay? Immediately don't try to do in this manner. Observe here. 1, 2, 3. First term 1, second term 2, third term. That means nth term is n. We don't know nth term value and we don't know n. But it is sure that, suppose if I say 10th term, this will be 10. Suppose if it is 12th term, n value will be 12. Nth term and n value will be same. So, in order to confuse you, here there is a letter n. Don't bother about it. Just observe only 1, 2, 3 and 78. 78 is what? Sn. Sn is equal to 78. You know a value, d value. Apply in Sn formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn is equal to n value, we don't know. A value 1, 2 into 1 will be 2, n minus 1 into d value is 1. N by 2 into 2 plus n minus 1. And you know Sn value, right? Substitute here. 78, 78. Now this 2 multiply other side. 78 2s are 156 is equal to n into, remove from brackets, 2 plus n into 1 n, plus into minus minus 1. 156 is equal to n into 2 minus 1 will be plus 1, n plus 1. N into n square plus n into 1, n. And now I can write this as n square plus n minus 156 equal to 0. Again we got an equation. We need to factorize this. Now multiply 1 into minus 156. Minus 156, take the factors. I think it will be 13 12s are 156. You need to get plus 1. Plus 1 means plus 13 minus 12 will give you plus 1. N square plus 13n minus 12n minus 156 is equal to 0. Take out common. N is common. N plus 13 minus 12 into n plus 13. N plus 13 into n minus 12 is equal to 0. That means n plus 13 equal to 0 or n minus 12 equal to 0. N is equal to minus 13 or n is equal to plus 12. Observe here, any number of the term I won't say with a negative. Therefore, we take n value as only 12. So, 12th term is n. 12th term is n, but I need n value. Right? So, observe here carefully. 12th term, A12. Right? First term, A1 is 1. Second term, A2 is 2. Third term, A3 is 3. So, 12th term, that means 12th term is 12. N is equal to 12. Find n is your question. 12th term value is 12. 11th term value is 11. Okay. So, therefore, n value is 12. So, check for the option. It is your option B. Option B, 12 is the answer. Many multiple choice questions we can pick from arithmetic progressions. Already I have covered some questions in 1 mark of arithmetic progression in this channel. And now I try to cover 20 more which are very important questions for your examination. In mathematics, we need to understand the question carefully and where we need to apply which formula. These all you should be able to know. In examination, these all rough calculations you can do in the rough space which will be provided in the question paper. Okay, with this we are going to end our session. In our next session, we are going to meet with another new chapter. Until that, keep watching. Thank you all.